Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to do a really quick TA on Bitcoin because the last TA that I did, we were basically down here, and I was like, hey, we either bounce from here and we run up back to 48.7, or this is essentially the crash to 40K, right? And if we actually start closing under this major trend here, we're going down, right? We're basically going down to 40K, and I'm super happy that we actually bounce from here. Because I'm telling you guys right now, if we actually end up dropping all the way back down to here to 45K ish, whatever, and you see these, I don't know. I think if you drop one more time down here, I think we're going to 40K. Even if we're on trend, right? I think the next time that we do drop, if we do down to back to this trend, I don't think we recover. I'll be completely honest with you guys right now. If we do drop one more time down here to 45, 46K, I do not think we're going to recover. So it's either do or die, right? We either bounce from here and run to 53K, or we go down. The really good thing right now is that the daily right now, the daily is still bullish, has a little bit more to go on the stochastic. It does look like it wants to sell off a little bit, maybe in the next couple of days. But the really good thing here is the weekly actually looks like it wants to close a bullish week. And I've already told you guys, as soon as this bullish week closes for Bitcoin, I've been slowly accumulating some money into my portfolio. I added some sushi, quants, more Shiba Inu, more Ethereum, more Matic, whatever. It doesn't matter, right? But as soon as we have a little red bubble get created up here, when we close a bullish week, I am 100% bullish on Bitcoin all over again, right? All over again, which does look like we might close a bullish week maybe in the next 1, 2, 3 weeks or so, right? It might happen like mid-January, I don't know. But it does look like we might see a bullish week close maybe in 2, 3 weeks, within 3 weeks or so, I think. Every single time we've closed a bullish week, it's always been profitable, right? Every single time. Profit, every single time, right? Runs from 54K to 69, right? Runs from, 34K, all the way to like 52K, right? And then these bullish violent closes over here. But we're looking at relevance, right? So we're looking at having lows on the Stoke and then essentially creating a perfect buy. We're not looking for violent closes, right? So here, right? Perfect instance right here. Sort of lows on the stochastic, kind of mid-tier, but you had that bullish trigger, right? From 10K, that's the start of the rally to 41, and then we'll push it to 64, right? And then here, I wouldn't really consider these right here. You guys see these bullish triggers right here. I wouldn't consider these perfect buy-ins. These are more of a violent closes. It takes you, pretty ridiculously up there. But it's every single time, right? Every single time. Again, right here. Bullish close. You go from 65 all the way to highs of like 10K. So almost a full 100% gain, maybe like 60-70% gain. So every single time we close bullish on the weekly, it always ends up being profitable. You always end up seeing something like a 40% run from these lows, right? So 40% from 47 here, you'd see something like another 20K, 25K run to the upside, which would put you close to somewhere like 70, in between 70 to 75K. Again, the daily is looking a little weak, but the 4 hour, it's been respecting the 4 hour extremely well. Look at the reverse MACD. And if you guys want access to the reverse MACD and how I actually use this and trade this, you guys can join the Patreon, right? And like I said, I'm pretty bad about like plugging that in because I always forget. I'm still kind of newish at like social media or whatever, but every single time the 4 hour has done something great. Look at that 4 hour close right now in Bitcoin, 48.52. Again, right there, 4 hour close. Like 47.48, again, rallied to 50. Again, right here on the close, right there, 47K, all the way up to 49. Again, right here on the close, 46, all the way up to 48. I mean, you could basically just use the 4 hour as an entry every single time. It's been, 46. 49.5. You could use the 4 hour trigger every single time on the reverse MACD, and you could have used the stochastic as an exit point every single time. So it's been extremely responsive to the 4 hour bullish trigger on the reverse MACD, and it looks like every single time that it moves, it does relatively the same amount every single time, right? So, we'll do from lows to highs for $1,000, rough low to highs like 3,800 bucks right here, lows to highs 32, right? Lows to highs 27. Most recently, lows to highs again like 39. So roughly we can assume that it's going to run between $3,000 and $4,000 from here, or whenever another 4 hour bullish trigger happens, right? And we're around this level. We're around this area right now. So what is it? 1 day, 12 hours. We'll do 1 day, 12 hours. We'll do $3,500 to be like a happy medium, right? We'll do $3,500. That means that by the end of this weekend, by the 24th, which would be Friday, we can see a 51.8, 52K almost, Bitcoin by before this weekend, right? And I definitely think that's what's going to happen right now. I think we're going to rally to around 52K, and I think it's going to happen before Sunday. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.